Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about Python. Python is very simple to learn. So, Python is a computer language. So, we can create games, mobile applications and artificial intelligence kind of applications. So, I'm going to open Python now. So I already pre-installed Python on my computer. I'm using Python version 2.7.16. So I'm going to show you a command called print. We have to type print, and we have to click the space bar, and we have to hold the shift button and click this, whatever it's called. And now I'm going to type, my name is called Anish, so I'm going to type Anish, 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 and I'm going to Anish Vadpati, so I'm going to type Anish. So I'm going to click enter, and it printed out the name that I wrote on the screen. Whatever we are seeing now is called IDE, Integrated Development Environment. So that's it for the video, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So I'm going to post another video about Python. So I'm going to learn Python a little bit more, and I'm going to post a little bit more of videos about Python. So yeah guys, that's it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all guys. Peace.